Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and if you haven't already, what y'all waiting on? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and follow me on social media, styledbylydiacassia or Littleohfancyme. So as you can see from the title of this video is in collaboration with Busties. So Busties, if you guys do not know, is a breast tape company. They reached out to me and asked me to do a little unboxing / little try on for you guys today, and I said sure, why not? As a personal stylist, fashion YouTuber, blogger, I felt that it's very important for you to have that little lift when it comes to putting on your garments. Of course, I'm like, I wish y'all would have reached out to me a couple of months ago when I did my birthday photo shoot. But of course I got through it, and if you guys have not, go ahead and check out my birthday photo shoot. I had the 3 separate outfits, and I definitely could have used this when I was doing my little fitting for my birthday photo shoot. So of course they reached out to me, so I was like, let me see what this kit is all about. It is a breast tape kit from Busties. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and open up and see what the packaging is all about. So first off, this is the packaging. I love the packaging. It's like a pink and black nice little girly feel to it. And then on one side it says cruelty free, no animal testing ever, locally owned. So they're a US based company. And then it says join the fight. A portion of your purchase has been donated to the American Breast Cancer Foundation. So that is on one side. And then of course they have all of their information on the other side. And then they also have what the box includes, which is 1 roll of 2" by 16.5 breast tape, a pair of reusable silicone lifting nipple covers, definitely needed. Then they have 4 pairs of satin flower nipple covers, so the nipple covers, and then 1 skin sensitive test kit. And then they have like the tape instructions, all of that included if you scan a barcode. So definitely the nipple covers are definitely important for a certain type of dress. And then also the lift. And then of course the breast tape is included all inside of this small box. It looks small, but this box is probably powerful. So I'm gonna open up this and just pull out everything for you guys. I'm gonna do a little try on or a little try of this as well. So stay tuned afterwards. Right now I have on like this little crop top, purple little crop top, and the girls are not lifted. Like with this, you cannot have no type of bra on with this. You definitely need like some type of lift. But I have on a crop top, and then I also have this little black little dress that I'm gonna try out with this as well. But let me get back into the box. So the box has this cute little satin bag, so cute. Little satin bag that says Busties on it. They have a roll of the breast tape, super cute. Then they have the 4 nipple covers with some instructions, the little tape, the flower nipple covers, and then they have the silicone ones as well. So 2 of the silicone little tape ones as well. So if you're wearing a certain type of dress that you don't want no bra, but you just want your nipples covered, you could do the nipple covers or the flower nipple covers. And then of course, like if you have on like a crop or a decent another type of dress, you're gonna do the breast tape. So guys, this is all included inside of this box. So guys, check out Busties. And then now stay tuned for another part of the video. I'm gonna do a little try on for you guys. So without further ado, stay tuned. So guys, I am back, and I have on that purple crop top. I do not have on a bra with this crop top, so everything is kind of just stuffed in. So I decided to use the breast tape to kind of give me a lift and to kind of make sure nothing pops up. So this is the after. I have the Busties bra tape, so everything is a little bit more lifted. I can do a little bit more moving around without any pop-outs. And then up next, I have that slip dress. do not have on a bra with this as well. And then I'm going to use the nipple covers, silicone nipple covers for this one. So I have the silicone nipple covers and the breast tape, so everything is very much lifted and you cannot see the prints. So guys, go ahead and check out Busties. I will leave everything down in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching.